Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix transparent rectangle box appears above the taskbar in Windows 11 screen. First method is click Start, Settings, click Personalization. Click Taskbar, turn off Task View. Second method is right-click Taskbar, click Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart. Third method is right-click Taskbar, click Task Manager. Right-click MiniSearchHost.exe, click End Process. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.